Meaning of grandchild.
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 Grandchild. Grandchild refers to the child of one's son or daughter. It is a term commonly used to describe the second generation of a family, which includes children who are related to their grandparents either maternally or paternally. Grandchildren can bring great joy to their grandparents and vice versa, as they often develop close relationships built on love, trust, and shared experiences. From a biological perspective, having grandchildren can also provide a sense of continuation of one's legacy and lineage. Overall, grandchild is a term that represents the special bond between generations of a family.